Italian food as we know it was invented in America. It's not actually Italian at all. It's American. So Italian food is from America. And there is a whole story why chicken parm came to be, because of course it used to be eggplant parm, but when all of these Italian immigrants got to America, it was like, there's meat everywhere. And so they put meat into everything. So it's really a dish that isn't supposed to be made with chicken, and you have to make adjustments to it in order to kind of make it do what I think that it ought to do. So there is a story there, and then finally a couple of techniques that I feel really good about. And is the #1 requested show from fans.
Scisse castacato come una perla.
What's that supposed to mean?
This.
Ow! You bother!